Hi! Hi!
In this episode, we will present an experiment which is released by Antonin and Arthur. They are two specialists of the salt crystals, and they did an amazing crystal. And for the contest of the Academy of Marseille, now it's the questions time.
Okay, first, did you do another experiment or subject before?
So at the beginning, we wanted to work on extreme sports, but it was very difficult to find a subject, so we gave up very early. Then we worked on fire. Our key question was how to make the same color of fire with the same chemistry table, but it was very difficult to make experiments in classroom, so we gave up too.
Yes, and why did you work on crystal?
So we decided to choose the crystal contest because we didn't have any more idea. Moreover, Antonin wanted to work on iron science. It was our last choice and we have not regretted.
How do you proceed for your experiment? Did you have a problematic?
And maybe an hypothesis?
Our key question is how to create the most beautiful crystal with a funny shape. And our main hypothesis is I think we can make this beautiful crystal with light funny shapes and shadow for highlight the colored lights.
I think that this experiment is interesting. What do you think?
I think we forget the principle. How did you do?
For try the salt, we decided to understand how to the salt crystallized. So we have added some salt to the water and we waited to the salt crystallized.
So we have seen that the crystal had a flat shape and he has threads in the middle.
After that, we have begun the real experiment. First, we have measured the volume of the cupcake mold to have enough water and salt. And we took that we needed salt, the cupcake mold, and the lamp that we can switch on with a remote.
Next, we have saturated the water with the salt, the UV, we have put the aquatic lamp and we waited 5 days and our crystal was created.
Our crystal was not finished because after that we have added a yellow dye which was beautiful with the lights of the aquatic lamp. Here is our experiment.
What was your goal when you did your experiments?
Our goal was to see how to salt crystallized because we chose that we can make the shape of the cupcake mold. But we saw that we can't because the crystal was brittle and it was very difficult and even impossible to take off into the mold. So we have laid it like this. Without doing it on purpose, we have made an amazing crystal. So we didn't have a specific goal.
For finish, I have a question. What do you think about your crystal?
I think we did a good job. It's a beautiful crystal. Even amazing crystal, yeah.
Okay, now you also more about our experiment. Yes, because it's our experiment. We have to participate, haven't?
Yes, that's right. But we did some furries, but we are not the only ones, are we?
Yes, we are 4 on this one. For conclude, we did a crystal with for the contest with light and colors. The result is amazing. We can be proud of us. Yes. And I hope to win the contest. Goodbye.
Goodbye.